El problema de obesidad infantil está creciendo 1% por año, o hasta más de mayor parte del mundo. Está un territorio nuevo que começar a atender, mas sobre nunca promete a conocer una epidemia de obesidad infantil. Está difícil para jalar el desarrollo aquí back y está fuerte aquí de salir problemas con diabetes, hipertensión y enfermedad cardiovascular. La Conferencia Panamericana riba Obesidad Infantil, PACO, un viaje más a enfocar riba estrategia comprensivo para atender la problemática de obesidad infantil. La asistencia de una variedad amplia de profesional, científico y funcionario gubernamental de Caribe, Latinoamérica y América del PACO demuestra el compromiso por una transformación de prioridad para dar mucha una oportunidad para una vida saludable. Aruba asume una posición ejemplar en la lucha contra la obesidad de mucha. Ahora que en la Conferencia Panamericana de Obesidad a discutir manejo de salud público para atender la problemática, a observar estrategias en diferentes niveles según el principio de prevención. Para profesor Philip James, de International Association for the Study of Obesity, PACO haya una dimensión extra, justamente para sobre la trata de obesidad infantil.
PACO is an important development because it's focusing on children's obesity. And what I've discovered in talking to ministers of health is that if we talk about heart disease and diabetes and stroke, then it doesn't catch the imagination. But as soon as one highlights the fact that childhood obesity is a completely new phenomenon that the world hasn't seen affecting populations of children, and that has only happened from the 1980s onwards, they suddenly realize that something needs to be done. You cannot blame the children for putting on weight. And the fact that it didn't exist in the 1970s and now is present from 1980s onwards, that is obviously something that's happened to the environment, to the way in which children are brought up. Now, you may say that this is a problem for the United States or for the UK or for Northern Europe. We used to think that early on, but now we recognize that it's even a bigger problem in the poorer countries of the world, what we used to call the developing world.
Lobo punta è ora di con epidemia di obesidad infantil a desarrollar. È evidente che il mondo di Amuchanan abilita cambia debido a differenti fattori, pero tem dois aspectos que immediatamente da resaltar den vista di esperto aqui.
One is the sort of food that they're being given, and the second is the physical activity that they're engaged in. Now, if you take physical activity, first of all, we find that with all the car uses, the rebuilding of cities and towns, that everything has been done to make using motor cars simple and easy. And therefore children are being kept closer to their parents, not allowed to go out and walk and play and ride on bicycles. And therefore their whole physical activities being collapsed. However, in addition, now they have television. They have their own iPhones, special mobile phones, and they can watch videos and play games. And what we now realize is that their food system has totally changed. The Western food industry from the United States and from Europe in general have realized that if they can change children's habits early on, those habits get locked in, and if you can persuade them to eat fast foods and drink soft drinks full of sugar, they will carry on doing that, probably for the rest of their lives.
Para desviar a costumbre ng novo aqui de Amuchanan, Mr. tiene cuenta com série de medidas sério, uma série de medidas aplicável através de um trajeto completo de vida. Desarrollo nan com Mr. tem reflejo den manejo público de país nan.
Wonderful analyses by the World Health Organization and Pan American Health have shown that it's important to educate parents, it's important to change the school curriculum, but it's also important to change the permanent structure and the way in which children are being brought up. Therefore, we have to eliminate marketing to children. The Institute of Medicine in the US says under 12, but the World Health Organization and new American research shows that adolescents are also a big target. They're a big target for the tobacco, the alcohol, the fast food industries, and also the soft drink industries. So that needs to be stopped. And it's not just marketing on television, it's marketing through special games being played on the internet and so forth. This is a huge challenge for ministers of health. And here in PACO 3, we've had 32 ministers and their deputies represented from throughout Latin America and the Caribbean. And the challenge has been, what can they do? We know that doctors can actually help people and children to change their behavior. But it's difficult if the environment is wrong.
Y ora hace referencia ne hecho que doctor nang por ayuda cambia e comportación de emocional e talagabo